大家好 Hello everyone. 谢谢你们来看我们的 YouTube channel. Thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. I am planning to make videos on small videos on various grammar points which we learn in Mandarin language. Okay, so I will be covering very basic grammar points and definitely intermediate level grammar point as well. So these are the grammar points which I feel that student gets confused with that, and they have a difficulty in understanding or in the usage of those words, right? But I want your suggestions, grammar points in which you face difficulty to understand and you want more clarification. So please feel free to put it in the comment section so that I can use that, or I can do a video on that particular grammar point. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. So first grammar point which we are going to see is about ye and hi. Okay, let's see how do we use it. So when we translate ye and hi in English, both gets translated as also. Okay, but there is a difference in usage of ye and usage of hi. And as you see, for hi in bracket I have written in addition. Okay, so that is the main difference between ye as also and hi as also. So let's understand it more. So basically ye is between two subjects and hi is for a same subject. Okay, now let me give you some example to make you understand that. So the sentence is, I study Mandarin, my friend also studies Mandarin. Okay, now here you can see I and my friend, two different subjects, right? And for hi, if we have to see sentence, it's I study Mandarin, also study French. So it's the same subject. Correct? So that is the main difference between ye and hi as also. So let's see the translation of these sentences. So the first one, it gets translated as 我学汉语，我的朋友也学汉语. The second one gets translated as 我学汉语还学华语. Okay, so you can see here the first one has ye and the second one has hi. Okay, another thing what you have to remember here is this ye and hi always comes before the verb. Okay, it always comes before the verb. So let's quickly have a recap. So ye and hi, ye is also, whereas hi actually means in addition. Ye is between two subjects but same thing or same object or same thing, right? So how we saw in the previous slide, two subjects, that is I and my friend, where it was the same thing, that is learning Mandarin. Whereas hi is for the same subject but two different things, right? It was I, subject was I, learning French and Mandarin. Okay, so this is a very simple grammar point, but if you don't use the correct word, it will make your sentence wrong. So it's always good to know where to use ye and where to use hi. Okay, so now it's a quiz. Okay, so we'll have a quiz here where you have 1 minute time. I'll give you two sentences and you have to translate it into Mandarin. If you know entire sentence, you can translate, it's well and good. If you can't, then you at least should know which sentence to use ye and which sentence to use hi. Okay, so these are the two sentences and your time starts now. So last 15 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I hope most of you got the correct answer. And now let's see what is correct translation. Okay, so 他要咖啡，还要面包。Here, 他要咖啡，他的弟弟也要咖啡。Okay, so as you can see, same subject but two different things, coffee and bread. Here, the two different subjects but same thing, that is coffee. Okay. So if you got your answer correct, if you got it correct, it's well and good. But if not, don't worry. Do let me know where you didn't understand, and I will try to explain it further. Okay, so now this is some thinking time for all of you. I'm giving here 4 sentences. Okay, again related to ye or hi. So what you have to do, you read the sentences and give me the translation in comment section. So let me also know whether you understood it correctly or not. And if there are some points which you didn't understand, or you want me to explain further, or if there's any kind of a confusion, please feel free to write in comment section, and I will try to explain it in more better way so that you understand. Okay, so what you have to write, like for sentence number 1, whether it is hi or ye, if you can translate the complete sentence, that's really very good. But if you can't, at least that part, whether it's a ye or whether it is hi. Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for spending your time and listening to this video. And as I said, do let me know if there is any particular grammar point which you want to know in more details, or which you feel is you are confused with that, and I will try to make video on that. Yeah, thank you so much. 谢谢你们。